I'm representing James Musgrave, founder and CEO of Best Global AI. As a communications specialist and former Navy officer, James understands how critical it is to embrace new technology. And he wants you to know that using AI to help write is not only effective, it's completely legal, provided you remain in control of the creative process. First, let's clarify why AI-assisted writing is lawful. Under U.S. copyright law, a work must include a human creative contribution to qualify for protection. When you guide the AI, crafting prompts, shaping drafts, and adding your unique voice, the resulting piece is your original creation. The U.S. Copyright Office confirms that pure AI-generated text isn't protectable, but any content you produce with AI as a tool belongs to you. You may have heard about AI detectors claiming they can identify AI-written text. In reality, those tools are unreliable, nearly impossible to use accurately. Even publishers admit they can't distinguish AI text from human text with 100% certainty. When you infuse your creativity at every step, your work remains authentically yours. At Best Global AI, our mission is to help writers and small businesses use AI confidently and responsibly. We offer free writing tutorials on our blog that teach you how to build effective prompts, refine AI-generated drafts, and elevate your storytelling. You can explore those tutorials at bestglobalai.com/blogs. Beyond tutorials, our three-step marketing platform is designed specifically for small businesses and startups. First, we ensure your data stays private and secure. Second, we preserve your unique brand voice, even as you leverage AI. Third, we provide an integrated AI API toolkit, an all-in-one solution so you don't have to juggle multiple services. In summary, AI can be an incredible creative partner, if you're steering the ship. By combining your imagination with AI's speed, you achieve faster results without sacrificing originality. Don't let myths or fears hold you back. Embrace this technology and join James Musgrave and the Best Global AI team in navigating the future of writing. Your ideas, your voice, amplified by AI.